What's your name?
Meredith Sabol.
And where was your internship?
I worked at the University of New Mexico's Cancer Research Center.
How did you find your internship?
My mom actually found this internship. It was my second time applying also, but it was on their website, and yeah.
What did a typical day look like for you?
A typical day was going in at about 8 o'clock, around 8 o'clock, getting prepared for the day, looking at what I needed to do, getting experiments set up. And on Mondays, I would do mostly tissue culture. Tuesdays, I would either set up for an experiment or run an experiment. And that could take anywhere from a couple hours to all day. And then analyze those results. If I could, I'd have pretty informal meetings with my PI, my boss, and just talk about what we saw and what we wanted to do next. And then on Wednesdays, I had a seminar on professionalism with my whole internship, all 60 of us in the program. And they brought in guest speakers to talk about how to apply for grad school, how to, network, things like that, all that good stuff. And then on Fridays, I also had a seminar on cancer where the program coordinators brought in people to talk about their own research or just cancer in general, current state of what research is, treatments, things like that.
How did you grow professionally and spiritually through this internship?
I grew a lot during this internship. I learned so much. I am very grateful for my PI and everyone in my lab who helped me learn how to do different experiments that I had never done before. Just laboratory techniques was a big thing, and certain experiments that I had never done, learning how to do those, learning how to work equipment, and also learning how to communicate and in that environment. And the professionalism seminars, things like that, were very helpful to know what my next steps might be. And spiritually, I was humbled a lot this summer because it was very different from what I had ever done before. So I had to work very hard, and the way science works is you fail a lot, and then you work towards getting that perfect result, or getting a good answer to the question you're asking. And that takes a long time, or it can. And actually this summer, I didn't end up really answering the question my PI had wanted me to answer by the end of the summer, which is fine, and he wasn't mad. But just learning how to work through failure and work through things that don't work out the way I wanted to or the way I expected them to.